So in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to perform the Bulgarian split squat, or what's also called the rear footed elevated split squat. Let's get right into it. So first thing is the proper setup. What you wanna do is get 3 paces away from the bench. So 1 foot in front of the other, in front of the other, that's gonna be 3 paces. You can also get set up by getting down into position and making sure that knee is at a slight incline when you're performing this movement, and this will be your bottom position. So you can go from here, come up, and that'll be your starting position. So whichever feels comfortable for you, that's the one you perform, all right? So me, I like the 3 paces out, so that's the one I'm gonna perform here. So 3 paces out, grab your dumbbells in your hand or your kettlebells, go ahead and place your foot on the bench, make sure you got your balance. You can relax your ankle on the bench, that's how I like to do it, or you can have your toe up the whole entire time. But you also wanna make sure the bench height is at the height right below your knee or a little bit lower. Too high, your back leg is gonna be way off of the bench, and that's gonna put a lot of excessive strain on the front side of your hip, okay? So, all right, so now when you're executing the lift, you wanna make sure that you're going down under control and that your knee is traveling in line with your second toe. You're gonna have a slight angle in front of your knee. It's not gonna be directly up and down as you're performing this movement. And then from here, you're gonna drive up through that front leg. When you're in the bottom position, your torso is gonna be angled just slightly and your knee might be right behind your hips, okay? And then drive up from there, performing a few movements here. You don't want your knee traveling way out and you don't want your knee traveling way in. That's gonna be putting a lot of excessive stress on this knee joint, and over time that'll just wear it down and have you a little bit more achy than you want to be. So again, make sure that your knee is traveling at a slight angle, right in line with your second toe,